Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all unique information about Glock 19X in this video. History. The Glock series of pistols was introduced in the early 1980s by Austrian engineer Gaston Glock. The first model, the Glock 17, was developed to compete for a contract with the Austrian military. Its polymer frame and innovative design, featuring a striker-fired mechanism, made it stand out. Since then, Glock has expanded its lineup to include various sizes and calibers, such as the compact Glock 19 and subcompact Glock 26. The Glock pistols gained popularity due to their reliability, simplicity, and widespread adoption by military, law enforcement, and civilian users worldwide. So, I am going to share with you all details about Glock 19X Fde. Now, we open the box first. The Glock 19X has the compact slide of the Glock 19, which enhances concealability, paired with the full-size frame of the Glock 17, providing a comfortable grip and increased magazine capacity. 17-round magazine capacity. The Glock 19X typically comes with two 17-round magazines, offering ample firepower. Coyote tan color. The 19X features a unique coyote tan color scheme, distinguishing it from other Glock models. Ambidextrous controls. The pistol is equipped with ambidextrous slide-stop levers and reversible magazine release, catering to left and right-handed shooters. Safe action system. Like all Glock pistols, the 19X features Glock's safe action system, consisting of 3 automatic safeties, designed to prevent accidental discharges. Polymer frame. The pistol's polymer frame is lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion. Accessory rail. It includes a Picatinny rail for attaching accessories such as lights and lasers, compatible with Glock accessories. Being part of the Glock family, the 19X is compatible with a wide range of aftermarket accessories and upgrades. User manual. I can't provide the exact user manual for the Glock 19X, but you can typically find the official user manual on the Glock website or by contacting Glock directly. The user manual contains important information regarding safe handling, operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting of the firearm. It's essential to thoroughly read and understand the manual before using any firearm for safety reasons. The Glock 19X does not come with an option for a shorter barrel. It features a standard barrel, length of 4.02 inches, 102 millimeters. If you're referring to the standard dimensions of the barrel for the Glock 19X, here they are again. Asterisk, asterisk, length, asterisk, asterisk, for 0.02 inches, 102 millimeters. Asterisk, asterisk, outer diameter, asterisk, asterisk, approximately 0.57 inches, 14.5 millimeters. Asterisk, asterisk, inner diameter bore. Asterisk, asterisk, 0.355 inches, 9 millimeters for 9 millimeters Luger rounds. If you need a shorter barrel for a Glock, you might want to look at other models, such as the Glock 26, which has a barrel length of 3.43 inches, 87 millimeters. However, there isn't a factory shortened barrel specifically for the Glock 19X. The Glock 19X serves several major purposes, making it a versatile and popular fire. The price of a Glock 19X can vary based on several factors such as location, retailer, and whether it is new or used. Generally, the price for a new Glock 19X ranges between $600 and $750. Here are a few considerations that can affect the price. So, dear friend, that's a video for today. If this video was helpful for you, then follow me more videos and like the video.